Hello everyone, this is Shanti Shirsad from Information Technology Department. Today I start the first lecture of computer networking, that is fundamentals of computer network. Okay, so let's start with our new subject, computer network. Learning outcomes. The learner will be able to understand what are the uses or needs of computer network, then what are the applications of computer network, and what are the advantages and benefits of computer network. Network is interconnection of two or more stations or computer which want to communicate or which want to share the information or data with each other. Okay. Network can be defined as the interconnection between various communication devices that are connected through the different communication media or links, that is using cables or using wired or wireless media. Computer network. It is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share the information and resources. In computer network, two or more computers that are connected with one another for the purpose of communicating data electronically, means with the help of internet, with the help of network, two or more computers connected to each other, and after that they share the information and data, and other than data and information they also shares the hardware resources. Next, this is the example of computer network where we connect number of devices, that is computer, also the printer, okay, laptop. All these are connected with the help of cables and connecting devices like switch, router, and with the help of these connecting devices, these all devices communicate with each other and shares the data and information. What are the need and applications of computer network? First, the computer networks are needed because of the following points. For sharing the resources such as printer among all the users, means one printer used by multiple users, which users available at different locations. For sharing of expensive software and databases, we share the expensive software and database with the help of computer network. To facilitate the communication from one computer to other. Another need of computer network is to have exchange of data and information amongst the users via the help or with the help of network. For sharing of information over the geographical wide areas, means all over the world, with the help of internet, with the help of network, we share the information and data. For connecting the computers between various buildings of an organizations, or for education purpose, we use the network. What are the applications of computer network? First is the financial services, means in banking system. In directory services, means to store the library database, to store the student database, to store the bank database, business database, that is other than that industry database. Okay, then electronic data interchanges, that is to exchange the data or information with the help of email, with the help of other devices, or with the help of other applications. Then electronic mail and e-commerce. There are various e-commerce websites, that is Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra. Okay, all these are the applications of computer network, means where we use the computer network. Next, that is network benefits for sharing information. Next, networking allows the users to access the data stored on other computers. Then it is possible for every user to share his bit of information with other users over the network. After that, the information sharing can be in the form of exchange of data, chatting, sending emails, then sharing videos, information, groups, etc. It is also possible for the users to share the information about various products, movies, technical information, cooking, travel books on the internet. Sharing of information via internet has become very common nowadays. Next benefit of network is the information which is to be shared or being shared should be shared centrally. It must be kept consistent and secured. Means keep all the information at one place, means on particular server database, and share it to all the users in the network. The access to this stored information should be allowed only to the authorized user. Then sharing of information eliminates the need of transferring file on CDs or pen drives, means there is no limitations of all these things. We don't need always to copy the data in pen drive and CDs, but also possible even if the physical location is anywhere. Means you can share any type of information with the help of network with your friends, with your colleagues, okay, with your family members. Any information, that is image, audio, video, any information we share with the help of network. After that, first is sharing information, another is sharing resources, that is sharing hardware resources and sharing software resources. Sharing hardware resources means we can share the printer, modem, fax machine, CD-ROM player, etc. Okay, here is an example of printer sharing, means one printer is shared with all 4 devices connected in network. Then sharing of software resources, with every computer we need to install some basic softwares on each computer's hard disk. In addition, installation of software on each computer is time consuming and difficult, and it also become costly. If you want to share some software with all the computer which are available in network, then it sharing of software resources saves your time and also the cost. Means we install the particular license copy software in one PC and share this installed software on rest of all the computers. Like this is the example of sharing hardware resources and sharing software resources. Here we share the laser printer with all the users which are connected in that particular network, in which your laser printer is shared with all the users. And this is the example of sharing of software, that is graphics file, database file, spreadsheet, word processing documents, all are shared with other devices. Next benefits of network is facilitating the centralized management. Means we keep your all the softwares or data which you want to share with your friends, which want to share with your colleagues, keep it centrally, means keep it one place and share to all. The computer network facilitates the centralized management or centralized network management with respect to the following. First, management of software, maintenance of network, keeping the data backup, central network security. All this is allowed by client server network, means keep all this information on the server database and share it to all the client user. Next benefit of network is backing up data. In the process of data backup, data from computer system is copied from the disk to some other medium for keeping it safe. Taking backup periodically is important because it protects the data against any unpredictable accidents, loss of data due to the system failure, computer virus or human error. The centralized backup procedures have become easy nowadays due to the advanced technologies. There are two basic network backup strategies. One is isolated backup and another one is centralized backup. Some another backup policies are full backup, replication and increment or partial backup. Thank you guys. The next topic is discussed in another lecture, that is chapter number 1 part 2. Thank you.